Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add multiple overlays to a video. So here I've already added a video on the main track and I want to add an overlay here. Let's try click on overlay, add overlay, and then I'm going to just choose one from the CapCut library here. Okay, I'm going to find this atmosphere. Let's try. Okay, I'm going to add this ones right here. For example, you can click on the overlay that you want and tap on add, and you guys can see here the overlay has been added. You can use the splice or blend to make it blend with the main track. And if you want to add again, you can, for example, I'm going to add again in here. You can click on add overlay again and then choose the new overlay that you want. I'm going to add this one now. Tap on add and adjust the size again. Go to splice again here and adjust it to how you like it. So you can add again if you want to, but I'm going to just add two, and this is the result. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.